Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use code for brick rod. First, ensure your brick rod is powered and connected. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started with programming. You'll learn about the software tools needed and how they interact with your hardware. This guide will help you understand the fundamental concepts, making your coding journey smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive in and bring your brick rod to life with custom code. Now, let's set up your coding environment. Begin by installing the recommended IDE, which provides a user-friendly interface for writing code. Next, download and integrate the specific libraries or SDKs designed for your brick rod model. These libraries contain pre-written functions that simplify complex tasks. Finally, connect your brick rod to your computer using a compatible USB cable, ensuring a stable connection for data transfer. With your environment ready, it's time to write your first program. Start with a simple script, perhaps to make an LED blink or a motor spin for a few seconds. After writing your code, compile it within the IDE to identify and fix any errors. Once compiled successfully, upload the program directly to your brick rod. This process transfers your instructions, allowing the device to execute them. Finally, test your code to ensure it performs as expected. Run the program on your brick rod and carefully observe its actions. If the behavior isn't what you intended, it's time to troubleshoot. Review your code for logical errors or incorrect syntax. Make small adjustments, re-upload, and test again. This iterative process of testing and debugging is crucial for successful programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.